My name is Tony Ashai. I'm an architect for the projects in Bangalore that we're doing with Easy Group. I come from Los Angeles, and we have our office in Los Angeles and in Beverly Hills. We also have an office in Dubai. We specialize in doing residential projects, mostly high-end residential projects, like Tiger Woods. We did Dubai Lifestyle City. We've done homes for Hollywood celebrities, Bollywood celebrities. Now we are doing the same kind of quality of homes and trying to bring them into Bangalore. We believe that Bangalore is the next major city in terms of residential development anywhere in the world. The group that I'm working with, Hisham Bhai and Shabir Bhai, they're really dedicated to this project, and they want to bring high-end quality to Bangalore. And the first project that we will be launching in Bangalore on Hennur Road is called Corinth. And Corinth is, if you know, it's from Corinthian. Corinthian is a style of a column. It's the top of the column, which is an Italian design. We're doing an Italian Tuscany theme. One of the features of Tuscany is rolling hills with a lot of landscapes, cypress trees, vineyards and things like that. The architecture is going to be similar to Florentine or Tuscany. If you go to Florence and you go outside Florence, is Tuscany, and our details of the windows, of the doors, of the cornice on top, the roof tiles, all that's going to be matching and trying to bring you to Tuscany in Bangalore. It's not your standard typical row housing in India. In a row housing where you have a road in the middle and then you have two rows on both sides and the garages, we tried to create a garden instead of a road. So we took the road underneath in the basement, and so there's still garages for every house, but up above there is a garden on the podium. So I wouldn't call it a row housing, I would call it more of a gated housing complex. It's going to have this amazing clubhouse. The clubhouse will have a swimming pool, it'll have a lounge, it will have pool tables, it'll have a huge gym on the upper level. Space planning is beautiful. Each unit is basically down below you're going to be able to park your car, and then you're going to have like a party room with a little bar on one side and a laundry room downstairs. And then as you take the stairs up, on the main level you have your living room, dining room, kitchen, a guest bedroom, and the upstairs you have the master bedroom and the other kids' bedroom. There's big terraces on top which overlook this garden. So you have big party area where you can do barbecue, and then you can throw a little party and then overlook the garden, and it's a beautiful environment to look at. So I think at the end of the day,